Hello my lovelies, today we're gonna be doing a swatch party. Well, not exactly a swatch party. It's more of a mini swatch party. I'm gonna be testing out and swatching for you guys my new Ofra long-lasting liquid lipsticks. So it is in this beautiful package right here. So this was sent to me by Glamour Box, so thank you. Before we get into this cute little package, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like, and comment on this video, and of course join my giveaway. So let's get the swatch party started. Let's open her up. So there is a card in here that says fall in love all over again with the Ofra Flattering Nudes. So these are the Ofra Flattering Nudes that they sent. So I have it in the shade Laguna Beach, Mocha, and Charmed. I'm going to be swatching all of these today and hopefully I end up finding my perfect nude. First up is the shade Mocha. So this is how it looks like. It's more of a brownie pinky nude type of shade. I really love the packaging. I think it looks really beautiful, crisp, clean, and modern, which I think is really great because it really highlights the shade. This is how the shade Mocha looks like on my lips. It's actually more pink than I thought it would be. I actually thought it would look brown because here on the tube it looks brown, but for some reason it doesn't look brown. It's possible that it's the pigment of my lips that make it look pink, so I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand and see how it really looks like. So this is how it looks like swatched. So it doesn't super look brown. Okay, so I think it looks the same, but it's just darker on my lips just because my lips are actually, you know, dark. Ooh, these smell like baked goodies. Does that make sense? Like I just entered a bake shop and it smells really yummy, and I super love those about lipsticks. If they smell like they're so yummy. I really like this and I love the smell. The formula of this is great. It went on really smoothly. It glided on so easily. It was so easy for me to put on, and also it feels really comfortable on the lips. So now I'm actually waiting for it to dry. So hopefully it's dry, and I also want to do a transfer test because it's a long-lasting liquid lipstick, but I'm not sure if it's transfer proof. So it looks to me that it already dried, so I'm gonna test out if it is transfer proof. It is not. That is a clear kiss mark. You know, thinking about it, this only claims to be long-lasting. It doesn't claim to be transfer proof, so I guess I'll just see how long this lasts. Now I'm gonna try out the shade Charmed. So this is how it looks like. It actually looks really pinky nude, or more of a pink brown nude. I don't know. You know what? Let's swatch it so that I can really see how it looks like. Okay, now this one is actually more of a mauvey pink type of shade. I feel like I'm gonna like this shade better than Mocha. So let's see. This is how the shade Charmed looks like on my lips. I think this one looks so much better than the shade Mocha. It's just, I don't know, I just like it better with my skin tone. I should have done this earlier, but I'm reading the box now and it says that this is a long-lasting color that turns lips to smooth velvet. So the lips are healthy, pigmented, and perfectly lined for up to 5 hours. I think this does exactly that. It feels really good on my lips, very comfortable, very light, very velvety, because that's what the finish is. It just feels really moisturized and smooth, and I really like it. Last but not least is the shade Laguna Beach. So this is how it looks like. This is actually the pinkiest of the bunch, so it's more of a light pink type of color. So let's see how it looks like swatched on my hands. So yeah, so this is definitely the lightest pink that is in here. Maybe I'm gonna like this more. Let's see. This is how the shade Laguna Beach looks like on my lips. I think this is such a cute color. It's very pink, very light pink, very cutesy. This is a color I would definitely go for. It's very beautiful and vibrant, but at the same time it's very wearable. Those are all the shades that I have. Now I noticed that all three of them are actually more pinky shades, but variations of pinky shades. Like this one is more of a light pink shade, and the Charmed one is more of a medium type of shade, and then the Mocha one is the darkest pink. My perfect nude is definitely the Charmed shade. I just think that it is the perfect everyday type of shade. It's a mauve pink type of tone. It's not too bright, it's not too dark, it's just the mid pink type of tone, so that's something that I would definitely go for every day. But second runner-up would be Laguna Beach. It's what I'm wearing right now. It's a really cutesy, pinky, more whimsical type of color. So this one I would wear maybe on special occasions or depending on my outfit, but not really for every day. Now the Mocha one, I don't see myself wearing that ever. I'm just not a big fan of dark vampy type of shades on my lips, so maybe not that one, but definitely Charmed and Laguna Beach, I can definitely see myself wearing those. I am pleasantly surprised with these because the last time I tried Ofra lipsticks, it didn't turn out so well, but these velvet liquid lipsticks, they're just really good. They're so comfortable, they feel so light on the lips, it doesn't feel drying at all, it feels very moisturizing, so that's really great because I don't like lipsticks that just make me feel so uneasy, so uncomfortable, and then when I put my lips together it's just really rough. I can feel, you know, the texture on my lips. I just don't like lipsticks like that, but this one, it's really great. So moisturizing, so smooth. I love the colors, so this one I would definitely recommend to you guys if you love really pinky colors. They have a lot of those. That is it for this mini swatch party video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which shade is your favorite. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah!